apply the olive oil to our chicken. Alright, so in today's video, the seasonings we're going to use to make this delicious chicken are some Kickin chicken finger licking. Rubbing the olive oil into the chicken. Half lemon pepper. And half finger licking. Hey buddy. And then from here we're going to take our already seasoned chicken, put it in a bag of marinade, as so. We're going to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes. Using a lemon garlic marinade. Hey YouTube, and we're back. The chicken has been marinating in the fridge for approximately 30 minutes. Everything's been able to bind together. It looks delicious. A bon appetit. So we have the chicken, nicely marinated. The Kickin chicken finger licking, and the lemon pepper. Then we have our mixture of Kickin chicken and lemon pepper once again. It's gonna be delicious, guys, just wait. Welcome back to Tubers. Delicious chicken drumsticks. Chicken finger licking and lemon pepper. Starting up the grill. Well, we got fire, baby. Let that heat up about 20 to 30 minutes. Cook off all the excess bacteria. We'll hit it with a little bit of a cleaner. And then we're ready to go. Throw on the chicken, baby. Back tubers. Here's the best part of the video. Getting the chicken on the grill. We got smoke. That's what we want to see. Smoke everywhere. This is what you love to see. Let's let that sear for 5 minutes, get some color. See you there. You can hear the sizzling of the chicken, and you can see the smoke coming out. This is exactly what you want to see. To know that you have a hot fire that's going to cook and give it some nice smoky flavor. Sitting at about 500 pretty, can't go wrong with high heat. My grill is a charbroil commercial true infrared. Makes it so that the meat sizzles quicker and it keeps all the juice inside while sizzling the outside to a perfect crust. Hey YouTube, so I kind of forgot to put my vegetables and potatoes on, but it's never too late. Chicken is ready for a... Oh! I only have 2 hands here, sorry. Perfect. This is what you love to see right here. Wow. And this is why you cook the chicken at a high temperature. You didn't have to baste it just yet, but let it sit another 5 minutes to continue cooking. I wish you guys could smell this, but can you smell it? Nothing better than the smell of chicken. Comment if you agree. And this chicken has 2 more minutes and it'll be ready to be pulled off. Chicken's done, let's get it. And this is what you call perfect chicken. Oh my. Alright YouTube, closing out the video today. This is it. The chicken came out wonderful. It's going to be some good chicken. Thanks for watching. I can taste it. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you next weekend with another great video. Sneak peek, it's either going to be my chimichurri or my curry recipe. So stay tuned.